How to fix an Xbox One on how to fix an Xbox on a mobile device. Here we need Axe deodorant spray, we need fresh water, we need Phase 10 Uno, Sony PlayStation 3 controller, and a baseball bat. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to get on the Xbox and fix the console. I will see you at that time. Okay, we are on the Xbox. Now, I need my controller, but I don't know where it is. So, wherever my controller is, wherever it is, it should be somewhere. Oh well, my stupid controller disappeared. How do people live like this? Wait 1 minute. Okay, I found my controller. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get on Reactor X. This game, like the Xbox One on PC, we fixed that. We need to do it on the Series S because it's broken. We're gonna select this certain one. Very confusing. But, so this is not the one. So we're gonna need to do the first one. The first one is the only one we need to do. Plus the second one. Now after you have that finished, now it's done. You should be done. Now you can play any game you want on Xbox. So, what you're going to do now is you're going to go on to your profile and you're going to go to customize and you're going to need to look at your Rolls Royce. Then go to rewards, redeem points, go to Microsoft Rewards on Xbox. After you have that done, sweepstake, enter sweepstake. It says good luck. Now, we're done. Now you can play any game you want. Like Forza Horizon 5. Limited edition. Oh. That was the syncing data. Okay, let the festival playlist load, then you can actually drive the car. Yup. So now, you can play any game you want. Now, the last Let's see what Wilson we can get. Now, one of these cars, if you watch this video, this car will be gifted to you. Anyone. I hope you enjoy this gift. Have a great night. Peace.